Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. In today's video, we are going to discover how to make delicious mouth freshener, Paan Masala. So, first we start with the ingredients. 250 grams dry dates. Water, as required. 125 grams soft and dried coconut. Rock sugar 250 grams or as desired. 250 grams fennel seeds. 125 grams pumpkin seeds. 125 grams watermelon seeds. 125 grams dried coriander seeds. 125 grams sesame seeds. 20 pods cardamom seeds. 100 grams silver-coated fennel seeds. Recipe: wash thoroughly dry dates and soak in water for 10 minutes, then pat dry, chop and set aside. Chop dried coconut and set aside. Dried coconut should be soft. In a mortar and pestle, add rock sugar and crush into small pieces, then take out small pieces and set aside. Heat wok, add fennel seeds, pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds, dried coriander seeds, sesame seeds, and chopped dry dates, and dry roast on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Spread them on a large tray and set aside. In the same wok, add chopped dried coconut and dry roast on low flame until lightly golden. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes, then spread them in the same tray and set aside. Let the mixture cool down completely. Add crushed rock sugar, cardamom seeds, silver-coated fennel seeds and mix well. Delicious mouth freshener dry Paan Masala is ready. Mouth freshener dry Paan Masala can be stored in an airtight container until use. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos and share them.